Welcome to the Best Picks. The best Silverado Headlights is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for your classic truck, not only enhancing its appearance but also significantly improving visibility and safety on the road. These headlights are designed to fit the 2003 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado, offering a range of styles and features to suit your needs, from brighter illumination to a more modern aesthetic. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy Avalanche Silverado. This headlight assembly features LED daytime running lamps, significantly improving the appearance of your vehicle. It also provides enhanced illumination, increasing driving safety and visibility on the road. The headlight is fully sealed with solid silicone and designed with one-way vents. This prevents moisture from being trapped inside the housing, ensuring it remains corrosion-free in various weather conditions. Metallic parabolic reflectors provide more light output, creating a broader and smoother beam. An anti-glare hood further focuses the light, making the lighting more uniform for better visibility. The side microprism reflector makes your vehicle easily noticeable to other drivers and pedestrians at night. This feature greatly enhances safety, ensuring you are seen on the road. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are highly resistant to shock and vibration, making it suitable for any road condition. Professional installation is recommended to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the product. What we like. This headlight assembly features integrated LED daytime running lights, dramatically improving your vehicle's appearance. The waterproof design ensures durability in all weather conditions. If you are looking for enhanced visibility and a stylish upgrade, this is the perfect choice. It will make your truck stand out. What people say. Good quality, good light pattern. Good quality and good light. Install was very easy. Number 4. DNA motoring headlight assembly for Chevy Silverado. Tired of your old headlights? These DNA motoring headlight assemblies are designed to give your Chevy Silverado a fresh, new appearance. They are a direct replacement, making installation simple. This pair of headlights fits various Chevy Silverado and Avalanche models from 2003 to 2006. Please note, it is compatible with models without factory cladding. Check the fitment list to ensure it matches your vehicle. The kit includes a pair of headlights and bumper lights. It's a complete set to upgrade your vehicle's lighting. Bulbs are not included, so you'll need to provide your own 9005 high beam and 9006 low beam bulbs. Designed for plug-and-play operation, this headlight assembly offers a direct OE fitment. No modifications or drilling are required. However, professional installation is highly recommended. These headlights are SAE and DOT approved, ensuring quality and fitment. They are designed to meet or exceed industry standards, providing both style and safety for your vehicle. The OEM part numbers are also listed for your reference. What we like. This headlight assembly comes as a complete kit with both headlights and bumper lights, offering a straightforward installation. It's designed for a plug-and-play operation, making it easy to install. If you want a quick and easy upgrade to refresh your truck's look, this is the one. It will give your truck a fresh new look. What people say. The fitment was very tight, but in the end they look amazing. The quality looks very nice and also has a great projection on the ground with the light. Truck looks like new from the front. I had to adjust the left light up a bit and the other was perfect. Number 3. DNA motoring headlights for Chevy Silverado Avalanche. Looking to enhance the look of your vehicle? These headlights are designed to give your car a fresh new appearance. They are a perfect fit for your car. These headlights are compatible with 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and Avalanche models. It is a direct replacement for your stock unit. Please make sure it fits your car. The kit includes a pair of headlights and bumper lights. It's a complete set for easy installation. You will have everything you need in the package. Installation is simple with the plug-and-play design. No modifications or drilling are required. You can easily install it yourself. These headlights feature a smoke lens with amber lights. They bring a unique appearance to your vehicle, perfect for show use. It will make your car stand out. What we like. This headlight assembly features a smoke lens with amber lights, giving your truck a unique and stylish appearance. It includes a complete set of headlights and bumper lights. If you like a more aggressive and distinctive look, this is the perfect choice. It will give your truck a unique look. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The install was easy. The headlights look great. Number 2. Nilight headlight assembly for Chevy Silverado. These headlights are designed for a perfect fit on your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and Avalanche models. The plug-and-play design means no modifications or drilling are needed, making installation a breeze. The headlights are IP65 rated and completely sealed to keep moisture out. A ventilation hole helps regulate the temperature, preventing fogging and ensuring the lights stay bright and clear. These headlights provide a clearer and longer vision, allowing drivers to see obstacles like deer or falling rocks sooner. This helps reduce the risk of accidents and keeps you safe on the road. The headlights meet DOT and SAE standards, ensuring safety for you and other drivers. The adjustable screws allow you to fine-tune the beam level for a perfect fit and optimal visibility. The package includes both the driver's and passenger's side headlights. Replacing your old headlights with this new assembly is a cost-effective solution, saving you time and money. What we like. This headlight assembly offers easy, plug-and-play installation, saving you time and effort. It's fully waterproof, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you value safety and ease of installation, this is the one for you. It will provide you with clear vision and peace of mind. What people say. They fit perfectly on my Silverado and look great. They were very easy to change out with my old ones and also increased visibility at night compared to a set that was 20 years old. Fit great unlike other cheap ones that I have bought, and these adjust with metal adjusters, not cheap plastic that is gonna strip out trying to adjust them like my others. Just got them installed and I like the look of them. So far so good. Number 1. DNA motoring headlight and bumper lamp set for Silverado. This headlight and bumper lamp set is compatible with 03-06 Avalanche 1500-2500 models without cladding, and 03-06 Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500 and HD models. It also fits 2007 Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500 and HD Classic models. Please note that it only fits models with halogen headlights. The package includes a pair of headlights for the left and right sides, and a pair of bumper parking lights. This set provides a complete lighting solution for your vehicle. The headlight uses 9005 bulbs for high beams and 9006 bulbs for low beams. Please note that the bulbs are not included in the package, so you will need to purchase them separately. It features LED daytime running light bars, which require wiring into your existing lighting system. This adds a modern touch and enhances visibility. The set comes with a complete set of headlight and bumper turn signal lights. However, instructions are not included. It is highly recommended to have a professional installer handle the installation. What we like. This headlight assembly features a sleek black housing and integrated LED daytime running lights. It includes a complete set of headlights and bumper lights. If you like a modern and stylish upgrade with improved visibility, then you should consider this. It will give your truck a fresh new look. What people say. The fitment was a direct replacement for the factory lights and it was an easy install. Lights are very bright compared to the older dull ones. Install was easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.